Today I wanted to test out some quick and easy hair hacks that literally have blown my mind. These hairstyles require no heat, no experience, and literally can all be done under a minute. That's what I'm talking about, okay? From 1 to 10, how lazy are you? Let me know the laziest thing you've done in the comments. I want to make fun of you. Come on, let me know, let me know. Hopefully this video will be your holy grail whenever you just want to come back, you're feeling a little bit, you know, like you just don't want to get it together, but you want to look like you got it together. Save this video to your watch later. Might be a thing. As always, thumbs up if you like these kinds of videos and thumbs down if you don't. That just kind of shows me how you feel about certain content. All right, let's get on into it. So in the past, I've actually showed you guys how to do this without a ponytail. Oh, no ponytail? No problem, girl. Look, you just do this, you twist it like this, and you do something like that, and bang. But some people have proven me wrong with this style. Some people say it kind of just falls off after a while, which I'm not gonna lie, if you have really straight hair, it potentially does. So I saw this other hack and okay. So according to this hack, we're about to create the tightest ponytail ever. Let's see. So we're gonna grab our hair up, da 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 da, and somehow, somewhere, I get a little strand of hair. Wish that bad boy. Ooh, it's working, people. Ay, ay, ay. No, it's not too bad, actually. Hey, 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 I'm kind of liking this. Does that look good? Well, if this was just like this, then I'd be like, oh, hell no. Take 2. This is under a minute. Okay, let's see if it's a whoop, a poop, or maybe baby. Da, 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 da. First step, pick up your hair, dig into a little piece, twist it out, bam. Ooh, I heard a little hair split.
Oh my God, what is that?
Final result is a poop, girl. No, honestly, I think this could work, but with patience, with love, and talent. Next hack. I'm not even gonna lie, this one looks incredibly difficult. Okay, I got some pictures over here. I got the tutorial over here. I'm ready to click stop and pause and stop and pause. Put my hair up, sweep my hand through, pass it over.
Okay, that's not too bad.
Oh, I think I do something like that. What am I doing with my life? Sweep it through, pass it over. Oh, and then here you put your hand back up. That makes sense. We grab, holy cow, this is one secure bun. We push this down, pull this through here, and then, did I do it, mama? Ay, ay, ay. And then I twist it, right?
Yeah,
and this goes in. That's exactly what I was doing.
Around the bottom.
Yeah, forget this hack, people. There's better ways of doing a bun, okay? On to the next one. This one seems doable, honestly. Let's just get into it, okay? We're gonna put our hair up into a beautiful bun. Shabam! Did that, perfect, easy, okay? All right, now she flips her hair forward. You just wanna put a tie right over it.
Today ain't my day, honey, okay?
Now we're just gonna position it like this. All right, that's how we do it. Now I used to do hair. You flip it over, bam. Now we're gonna put a ponytail there, shabam. Now we grab these little strands, shabam, shabam. Everything's shabam today, okay guys? You go like that. Is she a cute bun? I don't know. I'm so picky with my buns. It's weird because it's supposed to be the most like low effort hairstyle of life, and I'm so picky. Okay, wait, I actually really like it. This is kind of cute, actually. I can't get this much volume, typically, without a little donut bun. So I think I'm kind of into this one. Yeah, what do you think? Whoop, whoop, maybe, baby? I'm about to get my period. That's what it is, okay? We got a little period cramp not too long ago. I'm getting emotional over here. No, wait, I actually really like this one. Very cute, very cute. Little hack, take out your baby hairs. Just like that. This next one will for sure be my holy grail because I have really thin hair, kind of like a little chihuahua. Okay, I do. Audrey Victoria, girl, I love you. Your hair is thick and beautiful, and she's showing us how to perfect a full ponytail. Let's do it. So pretty much we're taking the top of the hair, we're gonna put it into a high ponytail. I'm really curious if this is gonna work for my hair though, because it is very thin. Okay, so we did that. Now we're just gonna do the same thing with the bottom, and we're gonna try and put this one up higher. So now if I'm understanding correctly, we're gonna take this top one and pull it just a little bit and get that hair through. We're gonna do a little hole through here. Oh, so that alone already kind of gives some kind of volume. And now I'm gonna put this piece through. Why is this so complicated? Tell me why. This is why I don't stick to any kind of hairstyles. My fingers have to say,
Hey girl, where you at?
I'm over here, let me through.
oh. Like it did work, but my hair just isn't that luscious. Maybe if it's not so pin straight, but literally another hack. Let me just show you. I actually learned this one from my friend Marella. So you grab a thick pony, try to put it up real high, and you try to position the ponytail. See how you can actually see the layers? And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another one and just put it over. And if this doesn't work, because it's worked before, just lose trust in me, okay? Shabam, a little more volume if you do say so myself. If you do, if I do. And then all you gotta do is just twist it. Next hack. Here's another way to get a beautiful top knot. So with this one, we're literally starting with a high ponytail. Now we are going to grab the tip. We're gonna add a little rubber band guy right here. We're gonna go like this. I don't know how we got to that. Isn't that crazy? You're gonna go like that, okay. Oh wait, I believe it. You're gonna pretty much twist it in and then check it out. Oh, okay. I mean, it's not that good. I think you need like some kind of hairspray. That's what I'm talking about. I have no hair. Teaser hair. Lucky for you, I did do one that worked. I was literally 2 years old when I learned about this one. This was filmed on another day and I was just, what is going on? It's like the cutest way to just get a cute little effortless half up, half down type of vibe with a hair clip. You'd rather do that than this. All right, I'm not even gonna lie. I'm so disappointed right now in myself. Usually I take this out of the video, but I'm trying to put on a smile and be like,
Let's keep on filming.
but I'm sorry. So for this very next one, very interesting. It's just a different way to curl your hair. Usually there's so many different ways to curl your hair with flat iron, but this one requires almost no effort and no movement of the wrist. So here's how it goes. Twist it over and then you just go down. And supposedly it's supposed to give you the prettiest, wow, I literally just curled my dandruff. Unbelievable. Oh, snap-itty-doo-dah. Oh my God, wait, that's actually very beautiful. This has got to be the best one. Can we just take a moment to appreciate how voluminous that is? Hell,
Yeah, girl.
it's official. Today is one of the worst filming days in Natalie's outlet history. It just broke. These are the realities of YouTubing.
Okay.
Honestly, it ain't always that pretty. I'm sorry. I feel like I let you guys down. This sucks. I'm curious. You know, I've been really interested in trying out some vlogs over on this channel, only because I miss my vlog channel so much. The reason I haven't been posting on there, if any of you guys are from there, is because it's really hard to manage 2 different channels. And I feel like for a while I wasn't putting in the effort on this channel. And now because of that, I'm disowning my vlog channel. It's hard for me to get myself into a mindset where I can actually vlog on the main channel. You know what I mean? I don't know, something about the vlog channel just made me like, I didn't have this filter on, if you will. Part of the reason why I'm starting to interior decorate, it's a current process that's happening. I'm very excited. I'm gonna be bringing you guys along. I guess what I'm saying is I'm trying to combine my real life with my vlog, but I don't really know if that's something you guys want to see. Let me know down below. I'm curious, honestly. I did ask this question before and some of you were like, no, just leave the main channel stuff separately from the vlog channel. Like, we just want to see certain vlogs. It might feel different. And then some of you were like, yeah, why not? Like, why have 2 channels? I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye. That was horrible. I'm not gonna lie, that was the biggest fail of my life and I'm frustrated. I cannot believe today's one of these days. Wow, I'm so sorry. This video kind of sucks. I just want to quit right now. I'm not gonna lie.